so we didn't vlog much last night at all. The kids got pretty tired again. After I left you as we were leaving Magic Kingdom, we came back to the hotel room, had a little bit of a chill in the hotel room, let the kids play with some toys and stuff like that. And then we had a wander around the hotel. We went to the hotel shop and made a couple of purchases. And from there, we then went to Disney Springs. We failed to realise that it was a Friday night, so it was really, really busy. We went into the new World of Disney and had a look at some bits and pieces there. And today's plan, we are off to Ohana. I'm all ready. Look, we've got Stitch here all ready for, sorry, I think I caught my, there we go. Yeah, so we're going to have breakfast at the Polynesian with Stitch and all of his friends. And we're going to have some Stitch waffles and we'll bring you along for the journey. After that, we're off to Blizzard Beach, so we'll switch across to the GoPro for that. I just heard actually that our sister-in-law and brother-in-law, they got married just before we came away. They are actually in Miami, so at some point they may come along and see us too, so that'd be really good. So we're waiting to hear back from them. So we are now going to head, before we go to the Polynesian, Imogen's struggling a little bit at nights, so we might get her a pushchair. So we're going to go and pop to Walmart, get some more water, get some more snacks, and have a look at the pushchairs for her. So we'll see you in a little while. We've just popped to Walmart and we've just picked up a new pushchair. We bought one that actually looks really quite good. It was just under $50. So what we're going to do, we're going to let Imogen sit in Jensen's old pushchair and we're going to put Jensen in the new one at night time when they're both tired. So we're really good with that. We're now on our way to the Polynesian to go and have our character breakfast with Stitch. So we'll see you there. Just over there whilst we were waiting for our reservation, and they asked us when we checked in whether or not we'd got a mobile phone that they could text us to when we were ready, but as we don't, we're just waiting for our name to be called out now, so we're going to head in soon.
Imogen, they've got one question to answer if you want to hear. You don't know this question, we can. Imogen.
That's a yes.
Okay. Imogen, do you know what Ohana means? Don't know?
Come. Find me. Jensen. Food.
To go and get a change of clothes, and we are now all in our swimming gear, so we're off to Blizzard Beach. We'll swap across to the GoPro, so we'll take you along for the ride with us. See you in a bit.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
From the beginning.
Rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place.
ready?